In this video, I'll show you how to calibrate your scale using the 4 front panel buttons. First, press the function key to enter the calibration menu. You'll be prompted for a password. The password is 112. Use the Shift button to move between digits, and the Adjustment button to change each number. With the password entered, press the function key again to confirm. Next, set the division or readability. We'll set it to 0.1 kilograms, then press function to continue. Confirm the 0 reading is correct, then continue to set the capacity. This is the scale's full maximum capacity. For this unit, 200 kilograms. Use the Shift and Adjustment buttons to enter 200 kilograms, then press to continue. Now we'll capture the 0 point. With nothing hanging on the scale, set the 0 point. Next, enter the value of your calibration weight. Ours is 100 kilograms. Enter 100 kilograms as your standard weight. Now hang the calibration weight on the scale. Wait until the reading is stable, then press the function key once more to confirm. The scale records its internal calibration code. Once the reading is stable, don't press anything further. Your scale is now calibrated.